Hey, what's up everybody? This is John Face Moto coming at you today with the installation of a floor. It's a SMARTCORE Ultra. It's available at Lowe's Home Improvement. Features Core technology. This particular color is Lexington Oak. And there's all the numbers and everything on it. If you want to pick up this flooring for yourself, it's 100% waterproof vinyl. Basically the same thing as Life Proof is another manufacturer that the Depot carries. I'm installing this in a kitchen. It's super easy install. Feels really good to walk on, stand on. Haven't installed any transition strips yet, but we're getting there. Just wanted to give a quick video on if anybody was interested in this particular brand. I've worked with a lot of different flooring products over the years, and this one's really easy to work with. Basically, it's already got the backing attached. So all you need is a sound flat substrate. Make sure everything's nice and smooth. Do your prep work, and you'll have no problem. This is all cut around this island. Super easy. It's a floating floor system, so you don't really want to fix anything down on top of it, even though a lot of people do. It depends on the circumstances. I like to not have any super heavy objects or any cabinetry on top of my flooring because it's designed to float. It's going to expand and contract. All you're going to need for this install, really, you can do it with the knife, utility knife, and score it and snap it. You got a little combination, or not a combination, a little speed square, tape measure, little hammer, and a tapping block. You got to make sure you gently tap this in so it locks in. If it doesn't lock in, you're gonna have issues down the road. So you take your time, and it basically you just get your leading edge, you rock it in. I always start at the end, start at an end piece, get your end piece in, then get your leading edge in, and then you just kind of rock it into place. And once you get about a half inch off the floor on this edge right here, you're going to want to take your block and set it up on that edge and just give it a little tap. And it'll, you get your edge right here. Don't go on the tongue, because you'll break it. Just go right on top of that. And you just give it a little tap. And you'll feel it drop in. Now it's flat. See how it just flattened out? Now that edge is completely locked in. And if you completely lock these edges in, this is pretty much a water resistant, waterproof, I guess you could call it. Obviously nothing's 100% waterproof, but they're claiming that it is. But I wouldn't leave any standing water on this for too long of a period of time. But as long as you have your edges locked in nice and tight, you shouldn't have any problems coming in through entryways, like coming in through from rain or with wet feet from the snow or whatever. Should be good to go. This is just another kitchen I did. This one is just about getting ready to be wrapped up. Just got to install the flooring today, and I got to trim out the windows and stuff like that, but it's coming along good. Everybody's happy with the install, and I just wanted to make a quick video because I know homeowners have a lot of questions about this stuff, and just wanted to give a little bit of insight to it. If you can, please give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, for more content like this. I also do videos on motorcycles and other things that I'm into. So if you're interested in that, that's great. But home improvement and things like that, I'll be making a lot more install videos. So if you can, come subscribe, appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.